Hi friends, in this video I will tell you how to create ebook and paperback by Amazon KDP. Can you see here I create a new title. Under this there are two categories. One is Kindle ebook and another is paperback. In this video I will show you how to create these four type of books. So before that I want to show you my book content. Here this is my book content is how to monetize our website by the help of the blogs. This is the book which I want to publish now in both paperback and as well as ebook. Okay. Best format to download to upload book in Amazon KDP is Word. So if you have PDF or any other type of formats, please try to convert it into Word document and then upload it to the Kindle ebook as well as paperback. Okay. Then first I want to so first one is Kindle ebook details and second one is Kindle ebook content and third one is Kindle ebook pricing. Okay, I will tell you step by step process. So please don't skip the video and watch until the end. Okay, first one is book title. So our book title should be very specific and it should tell everything to the readers by just seeing towards the book title. Okay, so I'm typing here. So, in brackets which the blogs. Okay, this is the title of my book. Then subtitle, it is optional, it is not a necessary, so I will give some description about the title. I can give as this also. Okay, try to give the specific year, then so people can attract more towards our book. This is the title, subtitle I given to my book. Titles plays an important role in book selling. Okay. Then series, if your book has any series like for part 1, part 2, part 3, then we can give as a series name and series number. But it is not a book which contains series. So it should be kept empty and the edition number is empty. Then author name. Then contribution is, it is optional. Please don't touch this tab and then give some description about your book. I will give as should become million in 2020. You try to avoid spelling mistakes. Okay. Nice. Then, so this is the description of my book. Then publishing rights, you can give I own the copyrights and I hold the necessary publishing rights. Okay, it is not a problem. Please give as an option which I given here. Okay, then go to keywords. Keywords is optional, but we will give because it plays an important role in book SEO, search engine optimization. We can say in YouTube it is as a tags. Okay, so I giving some tags. This is an online business and about websites and different things. So we should search this in categories. It is non-fictional book. So under that I will search for computers. In computers category, I can do data person, stone area. Every category will be under this in this Amazon KDP. Then people who are searching for the particular thing can see your book. Yes, blogs. We can give to only two categories, not more than it. Search engine. Okay, then save. So these two types of categories. People who are searching for blog information in search engines, they can find our book in that queue. Okay, then it is an optional age and grade range. Then pre-order is I am ready to release my book now. Okay, then click on save and continue. Saving. Next we came to second page. It is Kindle ebook content. Here we want to upload the manuscript. Okay. Word, and then I am uploading. It is uploading. Please be patient up to it. Now it is saved successfully, but it's not uploaded successfully because it is under processing. If you saw this processing your file means it is not completed successfully. So it's just uploading. That's it. It is in the process. So wait until it's completed. Yes, it's completed. Okay. Then come to ebook cover. Actually, to know more about this, I want to say how the Amazon KDP experts will do. Fiverr is a website which we can get everything from this website. Means to kind of, like for example, we already have a content for to write a book. So we done by ourselves. But if you doesn't have any content, you doesn't have any idea about how to write a book, then you can search in Fiverr. There are a lot of authors in this website. Search to get content, writers for book, then you can start that. But the cost of them is very high. To write one book, nearly they will take 7,896 rupees, and some will take 9,870 rupees, and some will take 1,580 rupees. Like this, there are number of authors. For less cost also they will be there. But it is only for one book. Okay, here they will take 3,553 rupees, and here there are some specialities also there. There are specialists in writing ghost writings, means horror stories, and so on, so on. For that one book, they will take 5,922 rupees. And here for blogs, means now our book is also about blogs and websites. To write a book about that, he will take 4,738 rupees. And here, ebook writer and ghost writer, she takes 6,712 rupees, and here 6,370 rupees. Here these are experts in Amazon KDP writing. So number of authors will buy from them and they publish here. But we uploaded book by ourselves. So what I am trying to say is, even to get one book online, it is minimal rate is more than 5,000 from experts. But if you go to authors helpline, which I previously told you, then 100 books will come for just 2,500 rupees. So that's why I'm saying, please don't go through it because it is very expensive. So contact that email right now and get 100 content books and publish 4 per a month. And To know more about it, you can contact me through my Facebook page. Next, this is a cover creator. This cover creator is also some will feel very difficulty to create a cover creator. In Fiverr also we can get cover creator. Just clicking searching here, cover creation, cover creator. Okay. See here, these are cover creators for books. For creating one book, for one paper for a book, he will take minimum 1,185 rupees and 1,580 rupees and 1,580 rupees, and he is very less 395 rupees because he has a very, is I think he is new, and very few will create book papers. But by Kindle Direct Publishing only we can create our own cover creator. I will show you how to do it. So go click on launch cover creator. Amazon Kindle Direct Publish will give some cover creator done by them to us to upload. Okay, then click continue. Here are three categories. First one is from image gallery, means Amazon KDP only gives some cover creations to us for free of cost without a single penny of rupees. Okay, we can get our cover from this gallery. Otherwise, if you buy from this Fiverr, then they will send a PDF format or different type of formats to upload that cover creator. Then you can go from my computer and then you can upload to the book. So now I will show you the way which is free of cost without penny of rupee. Okay, so then click on from image gallery. Here different types of covers will be there. You can select any one. Okay, here animals, architecture, art cover, arts and entertainments, backgrounds, black and white, business and travels, concepts and idea, editorial, education. So our book is related to online business. So we go for business and travel. Okay, under transport, cities and corporation. So it is a corporate. Under this we can see number of covers which for our books. Okay, corporate. Under this, no, I am searching for a good cover for my book, clocks and computers, but I didn't find here. I will go to education. I will library and technology. You can see anything here. Okay, upon all we can get any one as our paper. Okay, I want to give it as a cover creator for my book. Okay, I am using this image as my book cover. Okay, after that book will be look like this in six categories. We can choose any one. Okay, I like this. Or it, I think it is very good. Or anything. Okay, I will choose it because the title of the content is clearly visible. Even the author pair is not important, but the title of the book should be visible to readers. Okay, then so I am choosing this cover. So save. I saving this as my cover. Then preview. Okay, finally my book cover was completed. James Carroll, How to Monetize Website in 2020. This is the blogs monetize your website in 2020 made easy. This is our cover page. To get this cover page, some will spend more money like 1,185, and money more money. But here, within 1 minute, we got for free. So then save and submit. The saving, okay. After saving it, again we will come back to this page here. Now again it is processing and it is also processing. Please be patient until successfully completed. Yes, it's completed successfully. Takes some time because it is a manuscript, it is a document with many pages, so it will take some time. Loading successfully, you can launch previewer. My suggestion is please launch previewer. You will see if any mistakes or any errors in book we can see easily. So click on launch preview, then yes, then the new page will be open here. This is how our readers will see our book by cell phones and laptops. Because it is an e-book, it is only available by cell phones, laptops and computers. It is Android phones. In Android phones, our readers will see our book like this. If it is computer, desktop or laptops, our readers will see like this. Okay. Okay. Just see this page. This is how I created my book. This is how the readers will read our book. Okay. So after that, click that back button. If you saw everything is okay, then go back. ISBN is optional. No need for any type of ISBN for ebooks. So then click on save and continue. Our second step is also completed. Now our final step is pricing, means the cost of a book. So I told you that price is total depends upon our hands. Okay. See, I want to tell you about KDP Select enrollment. Please click on enroll my book in KDP Select. It is optional. We can click or we can't. But my suggestion is please give an option. Enroll my book in KDP Select, because in KDP Select, our Amazon KDP will promote our books for free of cost with discounts. Okay. Yeah, some more people will buy our book with discounts. So don't miss this chance and keep tick for it. And it is also there will be a storyteller contest in this Kindle Direct publishing. If they will keep competition in between authors who writes stories. The person who is elected as a winner, then the Amazon KDP will give him in dollars, millions of dollars as a fund. So don't miss this chance and click on enroll my book in KDP Select. Next, territories means if you want to publish this book in any particular region, then you can click on individual territories. Means if you want to publish books in United States only, or UK, or something countries, India, Canada, Australia, or some islands, all type of countries, Bahrain, Bangladesh, every country will be in this category. If you want publish this book in only some category of countries, then you can click on it. Then that in only Zimbabwe, this book will be published in only Zimbabwe country. Okay. But my suggestion is please don't give any type of options here. Click on all territories, means worldwide. This book will be published worldwide. Throughout global, your book will be marketed. So please don't leave a chance. Then just click on all territories. Next, royalties and pricings. See friends, it is a very important feature which I want to discuss with you in detail. Royalty and pricing is, there are two categories, 35% and 70%. For example, if you want 35%, the cost should be from $1 to $200. Means, for example, if I want to keep my royalty as $100, then $35 will be given to us. Okay, means in 100%, the 35% royalty will be to us. If we take 70% of royalty, then our book cost should be within $2.99 to $9.99 only. For 70% royalty, excuse me, for 70% royalty, our cost of the book should be in between $2.99 to $9.99 only. Okay, if you want more than $10, then keep 35% of the, and then give $10. If you give $10, then your royalty will be $3.50. Okay, but my suggestion is, for normal ebook, no one will spare that much of money. So understand that one and give as less as much, because if your book is very less in royalty, then readers will be increased. I want to publish this book for $2.99 only. Okay, then this is other marketplaces. Means in India our cost of the book is 224, and in UK our book cost is 2.37 pounds. In Denmark 2.69 euros, and in France 2.69 euros, and in, I don't know what is meant by ES, 2.69 euros, and Italy 2.69 euros, and Netherlands 2.69 euros, and in Japan 321 Japan currency, and Brazil 15.98 currency, Canada $4.06, and Mexico 67.64 Mexican currency, and in Australia 4.29 US Australia dollars. This is how our book will be available in different types of marketplaces. Okay, my suggestion is, first keep $2.99 as your book cost. After 2 or 3 days, you can change to $9.99, which is very high. Okay, then your royalty will be 3.50. If it is 70%, so give option as a 70%, then your royalty will be for one book, if one book was sold, then you will get $6.98 in Amazon.com. Even Amazon.in, you will get for one book 266 rupees. For UK 5.54, so on. So this is how the market will be works. So it is I want to give this price as a 2.99 because I want more sales. So after that I will give 2.99. Then book leading, then no need anything you to do. Then click on publish your Kindle ebook. It's saving. Okay, finally our book was completed. Okay, now our book will be reviewed by the Amazon KDP. Then they will come back to us within 72 hours. If our book is okay for them, then they will publish our book in the queue. Okay, now I will tell you how to start your paper book now. You can go by this. My suggestion is close it and go. If your book is in review, you will see here in review. Your book is approval, then you will see here approval. If your book is in queue, then you will see here live. Okay. Now I want to create a cover paperback. So click here, create paperback. Okay. Everything is already we given previously in KDP in ebook. but here we want to choose category non-fiction, then save and continue. Then in paperback we need ISBN code. Actually, to get ISBN, they will be charge some fee, but Amazon KDP will give for free. It is also one of the fetching for Amazon KDP. So this is our ISBN number for our book. Okay, then no need of anything optional. This is our paperback quantities and the quality of the paper and the size of the book and paperback cover, everything. Then again upload the manuscript. Paperback is somewhat difficult when compared to ebook. So many of the uh, business fellows will leave paperback without publishing. But there is some tool which is very easy to publish paperback also in Amazon KDP. Now I will tell that secrets. So please be conscious while seeing the video. Don't miss a single point also. Here it is in under processing, so please wait until it successfully completed. Yes, it's completed successfully. Then again we need to launch cover creator. The process will be same as an ebook, but our time taken will be some much more than ebook. Okay, then continue. Click on continue, and from image galleries, and previously you click on education, I think. Yes, education, library and teaching. Yes, this is our cover. Yes, click on use this image. Okay. Okay. I like this one because click OK, because the title of the book is very clear here. Okay. Now here we need to write about the book, some content about the book, means some description about the importance of the book, and here we need to write about the author. Okay, we can write, please write the biography of an author as an professional. Okay, for example, let's see how I will write. Okay, James Carr was professional marketing advisor for many online business marketing companies. In 2020, he starts publishing the books to share his valuable knowledge. This is how we need to write the biography of the author. Even we are writing about ourselves, but the reader should think it is written by the others. Okay, then write some content about our book. Means how to earn more money in 2020 to blogging and websites. Yes, it is enough for us. Then click on save. We can use these tools, means designs, which design you like more. Okay, even try to keep your design more comfortable to read. Okay, these are also different formats. Okay, okay, it is somewhat good. Okay, I am giving preview because it's looks somewhat very colorful design. So that is what I am saying. Working with Amazon KDP is very helpful and very easy when comparing to other paths. To get this type of cover creator, we need to spare more money in Fiverr and different types of websites in thousands of rupees. But here within 2 minutes we completed it with free of cost. Okay, building your cover, this may take a minute. Yes, finally our book is completed. Okay, click on save and submit. Okay, again we get back to it. It is under processing, so be patient until it completed. If you want any, if you have any work, so then you can just click on save as a draft. Save as a draft and then go and come back and after the completion of your work. Means if I go back and again want to set up after taking a break, then again come here and click on continue setup. Then again everything will be completed. If it is completed, then it will come as complete. It is in progress, so we need to complete it, paperback content. Okay, I think it takes some time. Please be patient. Okay, finally it is completed successfully. Our manuscripture and cover creator both are completed successfully. Then come down and then don't miss to launch previewer, because without launching previewer it will not save. Okay, so keep launch create, continue. This is how our book will become. This is paperback which will deliver to client's house. Okay, here we will see, we can see here errors. Means there will be some errors in the book contents. Example, we can see here they provided as a page numbers. Click on that page number, you will see how this red color means our information, our content of the book get outside of the line, so it is not printable. Like that for every page, here and here, means the content of the book was gone outside of the lines. Many of the authors feel headache for this type of paperbacks. Every paperback will have this type of issues. It is quite natural. So that's why many of authors will avoid publishing paperback. But with paperbacks only we will get more money. So don't fail, hesitate and do what I say. Then what you can do means, you can see here under the error, here will be there you choose 6.0 by 9.0 trim size, but your interior file was submitted as 8.50 by 11. Means our content book should be ranged between 6.0 and 9.0 trim, but we given as 8.50 and 11. So simple, we can change in Word document and again re-upload, or Do what I say. Just click here. Have us paste the content of your file into a new Word document that matches your books. Choose and trim size. Just click on it. See, errors are rectified. Means Amazon KDP software will create a new document file of our book by itself within seconds of time. See how our books will be. Then now our book is error free, means automatically it was adjusted. Our content of book is adjusted between the lines of the book. So everything is fine now. Now our book can be seen very nice, and our content of the book is also within the pages. This is how software of the Amazon KDP will works. It is very helpful to all the authors, but some authors doesn't know the secrets and they just avoid to publish paperbacks. Every page, you can see every page. Readers can read the book like this. This is 2 page, this is 1 page, and this second page you can see a page in 34 to 35. Our book is contents of 67 pages. Okay. This is 36 and 37th page and 38, 39. Like that up to end you can see. Okay. After that, click on approval. Okay. Click on approval. So our book is completed. Then this is the cost price of the paper. Okay. This is the commission to Amazon KDP. Okay. This is for this paperback, means that cover and etc. etc. Color of the paper and cover creation, and for everything it is 2.15. This is the cost for Amazon KDP. Then click on save and continue, and then pricing. Then we are entering into third page. It is, we even here also we can publish all over world or any particular country, but I want to publish on all over world. Then here we can keep, there is no specific limits, we can keep 3.58 to $250. Okay, I want to keep as $15. So if 60% means $6.85, and if it is 40% means $3.85. Okay, sometimes Amazon will give some 40% discount, 60% or 40% discount to the readers. Okay, then click on expand distribution. Please don't forget to click on expand distribution. It is very important. I will explain briefly about this in my next video or in next video. Okay, then click on, then see this is how our cost of the books in different types of marketplaces in UK, Denmark, France, and different types. Okay, you can go through it, and then finally click here publish our paperback book, and it's saving. Then click on that. Okay, so finally our paper book is in review and our Kindle book is publishing. So Amazon KDP is accepted our book and it is publishing, and it will be in queue. Okay, this is how we can publish our Kindle ebook and paperback in Amazon KDP. So thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends.